Using DoorDash gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy food delivery services without needing to use a credit card. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Access your DoorDash account. Log into your DoorDash account on the Apple website. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to use the gift card. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, go to the menu and find the option for gift cards. This is usually located in your account settings or under a dedicated section on the app. Step 3. Enter the gift card code. In the gift card section, you will see an option to redeem gift card. Enter the unique code found on the back of your gift card and click on the redeem button to apply the balance to your account. Step 4. Check your balance. After redeeming the gift card, check your account balance to ensure the funds have been successfully added. This balance will be used for your future orders. Step 5. Place an order. Now that your gift card balance is applied, browse the menu, select your items, and proceed to checkout. Your gift card balance will automatically be used to cover the cost of your order. Enjoy your meals with the convenience of using your DoorDash gift card.